Hello friends, this is Bhavatosh here. Welcome to my channel Perfect Analyst. So today's session is very interesting. I am going to show you a few resources where any learner can practice themselves whether they want to do any data analytics, searching for any data science role, Power BI, data visualizations. So there are many resources where you can practice yourself. You can do the project, you can do for challenges. So I'm going to show you the first resource is called workoutwednesday.com. Here it is available for Tableau, Power BI and CRM analytics. You'll get many contributors where they will contribute here many projects and the step-by-step guidelines will be available. Here you can do a challenges means there will be some problem statements and also the file will be available. So this, for example, I have taken one project. This is the requirement. You can read every information available here like introduction so that you can able to understand the in depth about this project. Then we have requirement, what is their requirement, and the data. You'll also get the data. Then we have the file data set. This is the solutions file you can download here. You can practice, and once you are able to do this project you can share this in any social networking site like Twitter, LinkedIn and all. So this will be a very good very useful resource for the people who are searching for a job and they want some project to display in their resume. So you can take this source. So I have just tried one download. I just tried to download one file from here or one of the project. There are many interesting projects here like pagination, tree map, one project, new card visual, bubble chart variants with charticulator, build with core visuals. So these are all based on the level of understanding. We have beginner level, advanced level. Initially, you can go with beginner, then intermediate. So I found one project for resume building. Create an interactive resume. Maybe you can try with this, and you can show this project in your resume also, or you can have your resume with Power BI. So this is for different audience here: job seekers, data users, Power BI users. So you can go for job seekers who are searching for job. You can use this template. There will be a plugin, design, everything is there. You just have to work on it based on your resume. I have downloaded this file actually, and I have uh, what are the informations that should be in your resume like certification, date, education, skills. We have volunteering, work history. You can change this data based on your resume and you can work on it. You can build a resume. If you already know the basics of Power BI, you can start working on this project. Even this project also will be interesting for the interviewer who is taking the interview. By seeing your resume, you will know that you are a Power BI developer. So better to work on this project first to show in your resume. So the plenty of projects are there. You can start working on all projects. So once you practice at least around 10 or 20 projects, then you will have that understanding of each and every formulas, DAX functions, how to design everything you can able to learn here. So this is one resource. Then I have another resource called Strata Scratch. This also brings many projects and also the questions. There are a lot of questions are there based on the understanding like easy, medium, hard. So this type of questions, if you practice, it will be easy for you to crack the interview. Even it will be easy for you to crack the certification. So here you can see there are all projects. There are some free projects and premium projects. Some projects are you have to pay, but you can start with free projects. In free projects, based on the difficulty level, you can select based on the job positions that you are looking for. Even you can get from the solutions for some companies, famous companies like Airbnb, Amazon. Okay, what type of questions you can expect from this type of company that you can practice here? Industry, which topics? So this is a very good resource. You check yourself here. There is a easy and for data engineering. If I will click here, this title of this project is Image to Pencil Sketch. Click here. This is the assignment for you, and this is the tips, data description. Then you can start working on your project. So here, if you'll see, there are coding questions and non-coding questions. There are different types of questions are there. Who are non-coders, they can also try, and who are the coders, they can try. So even data projects are there. I already shown you. Okay. So now next is there is another resource called Data Lemur. This is also one interesting resource where you can practice SQL. This for SQL. In my previous videos, if you can see, I have shown you another uh, SQLpractice.com that is also to practice SQL. On the left hand side, you will get the questions, and here you have to write the queries and you have to run the code. Okay, so you can practice here also. So if this is a easy one. You can find different solutions here. Before that, you have to sign up here. So this is one interesting resource. Finally, there is another resource called mavenanalytics.io. Yeah. So here you'll see a lot of courses here. So learn with expert-led project-based courses. So once you know the foundation of Power BI or any skills, you can use this resource also to practice. Here if you can see, so these are the courses: data science, Python, Chart GPT for data analytics, Microsoft Power BI desktop, so Microsoft Power BI services. Even you can get the boot camp here. This is the learning path. So once you log in, you can able to see all these courses. This is 16 hours, 16 courses, 186 hours. For data visualizations, this is 8 courses, 88 hours of learning. Excel, Power BI Specialist, W, MySQL, Python also there. Python 4 courses, 67.5 hours. This is the Python course. Okay. So this is about the resources, and I hope this will be very helpful for the candidate who are looking for job, or who want to practice, who want to be an expert before going for any interview. So I just request all those candidates to practice in these resources so that they can get job very easily. So wish you all the best. Thank you so much for watching this video.